If you're a veteran or active military looking to buy a home with a VA loan, you might be wondering which type of income actually counts towards qualifying. Here's the thing, not all military income is treated the same. Some types of income can be used to qualify for your mortgage, while others can't be counted, but might still help you reduce your debt to income ratio. So today, I'm going to break down exactly which types of VA income can be used to qualify, which ones can't, and how you can use certain income to offset debts and boost your approval odds. So let's get into it. So if you're applying for a VA loan, lenders will count certain types of military income as qualifying income. That means it helps determine how much home you can afford. So the following types of military income can be used for qualifying. So BAS, basic allowance for subsistence, helps cover food expenses. BAH, basic allowance for housing, covers housing costs. Uniform allowance can be counted as part of your income. Family separation pay, if applicable, this can also be included. So the key takeaway here is if you're receiving BAS, BAH, or a uniform allowance, these all count towards your qualifying income, which can significantly boost your home buying power. But not all military-related income can be counted when applying for a home loan. For instance, a GI Bill, this one comes up the most, which is temporary educational assistance. It cannot be used as qualifying income. Why, you might ask? Because the GI Bill is temporary assistance, meaning there is no guarantee of continuance. So lenders need to see that income is stable and ongoing. However, if you're receiving other military income, this shouldn't be an issue. Now, what if you have income that can't be used to qualify, but could still help you afford a home? Here's where a powerful VA loan strategy comes in: offsetting debt. So some types of income that don't fully meet VA guidelines can still be used to offset debts of 6 to 24 months. And this can absolutely reduce your overall debt to income ratio, helping you qualify for more home. So the key takeaway here is even if certain income types don't meet the lender's guideline for qualification, they may still help reduce your overall debt load and improve your mortgage eligibility. If you have any of the following types of income, it may not count toward qualification, but it can be used to offset debts of 6 to 24 months. So a military allowance slash income proficiency pay for like linguistic, parachute, scuba, flight, hazard pay, overseas or combat pay, sea pay, submarine pay, etc. So income from reserves or National Guard if the required continuance period isn't met, overtime, part-time jobs, second jobs, and bonuses if the employment history is too short, borrowers employed for less than 12 months, for example. So the key takeaway here is if you're in the reserves, working part-time, or receiving proficiency pay, this income might not help qualify, but it can still help reduce your overall debts. So beyond military income, certain personal income sources can also be used to offset the debt. So pensions, retirement benefits, VA disability income, dividends from stocks, interest from bonds or savings accounts, royalties, notes receivable, essentially money owed to you, trust income. So if these income sources don't meet continuance requirements, they can still be used to reduce your overall debt to income ratio. So pro tip here, if you're receiving VA disability income or retirement income, check with your lender to see how it can be used to strengthen your loan approval. So if you're a veteran or active military planning to buy a home with a VA loan, here's what to do next. Review your income sources, identify which types of income can be used to qualify and which can help offset debts. Gather proof of your income. So lenders will need pay stubs, leave and earning statements, or bank records to verify your income sources, okay? Talk to a VA loan expert. Not all lenders understand how to properly use military income, so work with someone who knows the ins and outs of VA financing. So not sure if your military income qualifies for a VA home loan? Book a call with me today. I'll help you determine what income can be used, how to offset debt, and make sure you're taking full advantage of your hard-earned VA benefits. So if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more VA home loan tips and military mortgage strategies. Click the link below, schedule a chat, and let's make sure you qualify for the home you deserve.